Feeling overwhelmed? Try box breathing. Find a comfortable position. Before you begin, make sure you're sitting or lying down in a comfortable spot. Feel free to close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze, whichever feels best for you. Slowly exhale. Start by gently exhaling all the air from your lungs, letting go of any tension or stress you might be holding on to. Inhale 4 counts. Slowly and deeply breathe in through your nose, filling your lungs with air as you mentally count to 4. Feel your chest and abdomen expand as you do this. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Pause and hold your breath, counting to 4 once again. Try to keep your body relaxed during this time. Exhale for 4 counts. Gently release the breath through your mouth or nose, counting to 4 as you do so. Feel the tension leaving your body with each exhale. Hold your breath for 4 counts. After exhaling completely, pause and hold your breath for another count of 4. Repeat the process. Continue this cycle of inhaling, holding, exhaling, and holding for a total of 3 to 5 minutes, or as long as you feel comfortable.